Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rock Bottom Airsoft. As always, it's good to see you, and also as always, if it's your first time here, then I'm glad to see you. I hope you'll stick around. Well, this is one of our regular weekday gameplay videos. If you're already following the channel, you probably know that every midweek we'll do a gameplay video, and every weekend we look to discuss all aspects of Airsoft and all sorts of things in our wonderful sport. Now, if you aren't subscribed already, then please do subscribe to the channel if you like what you see, and then you won't miss any of my regular uploads and the occasional bonus upload. And if you do like this video, then do drop a like on it at the end. If you have any comments or questions for me, then as always, just drop me a comment below and I'll be happy to respond to you. I always respond to comments, might not be straight away, but I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So with that out of the way, what are we looking at today? Well, this is another gameplay from the Highlander The Gathering event at Tazball Airsoft here in the Scottish Highlands. This 3-day event included lots of games, including big games and night games. This particular game took place on the Friday afternoon in the early evening. This is a fallback game. We're on the attacking team. In this game, the first objective will be attacking. Will be the small CQB arena at the bottom. You'll see that as the game gets underway. And basically, as we attack an objective, the defending team have 1 life at each objective. Once they get hit at that objective, they have to fall back to the next objective. And the ultimate goal of the mission for us as the attackers is to take all the objectives as quickly as possible. And then obviously you'll normally aim to reverse that and see who gets the quicker time. In this particular game, the whole field was open to give any new players at the site for the gathering an idea of where everything is. So it was quite enjoyable. It's quite long. We'll get most of the gameplay for the first objective in this video, and then I may come back to it in another video and continue it from there, depending on what you guys think. My particular loadout for this game, I was using my WE M1911 and also my Valken Alloy series. And that's the starting whistle is about to blow at any moment for game on, so I hope you enjoy.
Yeah. Oh, the magic rocket brings me back to life. Have you got any? Lovely. Oh shit, sorry. Getting ready to cross. Cross in! Hey! Back in! Ooh, that hop up's terrible.
Now, I don't know why I forgot to check my hop up at the range before we got in game, but it's one of them things that happens. So this is me just setting the hop on the Valken Alloy series. Thankfully, it didn't take much of an adjustment to get it back on point, and then I was back in the game. But I thought I'd leave this in just so you can see that sometimes these things happen mid-game. You start shooting and your BBs aren't going where you want them to go. Enjoy!
Really? Go twin tomahawk. I've got one here. What, you're going for it?
You got it in? Wait, bud. Wait, you're going tomahawk as well? Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Tomahawk is this too? No, don't you fucking get your hammer. Ready? Axe straight in the middle. Wait, careful, yeah.
You want to borrow my axe? Borrow my axe. That guy nearly sink up to his knees there. I am sweating, man. Very sweaty. Sweaty? Oh man, I am. Hey! Back in! Did you get anybody with it? Oh, cool. Are you going again, or do you want me to hang it up there? Somewhere on the back side. Watch yourself. There's a guy about 10 feet diagonal to me, about 2 o'clock. If you come on that side, you'd probably be alright. Just don't go in that gap there. He's down! Oh, there's another one! Just one, about my 2 o'clock. He's down! Whoa, whoa! Oh, did you get anybody?
Yeah, the thing is, I don't think he hit me. I was like, mate, I hit you.
Nice. No, he didn't hit me, thankfully. That last guy that were there, I shot him, I shouted he's down. That's why I was coming back round. I went round back of him.
I was told there was something here, and I was like, oh shit.
Okay guys, that's the first objective taken. We now had to move through the forest towards our next objective that was quite some distance along this forested area. The enemy team could spawn anywhere in this area, which made it quite tricky to advance. This bit does go on for a while. I've tried to cut it down quite a bit, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. But enjoy for now.
Holy shit, man. Well played. Back in!
That guy's an absolute legend. I honestly had no idea he was behind us. The ghillie sniper there was a member of the enemy team. He took out most of our team because he was behind us, and we didn't even know he was there. As you saw there, he snuck up on me, shot me pretty much point blank with his Mark 23. So there was definitely some concealment skills there, so fair play.
No. He ran past me. Just testing. In case you sink. Movement! o'clock.
Right guys, well I think we'll leave that gameplay footage there. This game was a long game, so I'm going to split that up over more than one video. This section here, as you can still see on camera there, the enemies had a really good spread out position, and to be honest, we didn't really know where they were. We took sporadic hits occasionally. A few of our guys got hit and had to go and respawn. But to be perfectly honest, we really didn't know most of the time where they were until we got closer to the next objective. It takes us a while to get there. We move through these trees very slowly. So I think we'll leave that at this point for this video. In the next video, I'll maybe carry this one on and we'll have a look at the next objective being taken. And then it's a little bit quicker from there. The objective after that falls much faster because they're closer together. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've found it entertaining. If you did like the video, then please do drop a like on it. If you have any questions for me or any comments on the video, drop me a comment below and I'll always respond to you. And if you want to get more content from myself, then you can find Rock Bottom Airsoft on Facebook and Instagram. But until next time, thanks very much for watching.